goes on which side because it won't fit on the other side. See, it doesn't fit. Let me go ahead and...
Greetings there guys, and welcome back to another great video on our channel. Who doesn't like a good toy? Well, like everything else, toys have also evolved in this modern age. There are so many toys out there in the market that you might not have even heard about, but they are amazing. So let's talk about 8 toys that you will definitely like. Number 8, Madari cars. Do you like modifying cars? Well, before you get to modify a huge car, let's try with these little Madari cars. Madari's chassis and dope rims are interchangeable, which lets you create your own designs. It also comes with a little screwdriver that helps you deal with the little details of these cars. Driving these little cars with your finger will give you a blast.
It goes on which side because it won't fit on the other side. See, it doesn't fit. Let me go ahead and put this here.
Number 7, L.O.L Surprise Clubhouse. The clubhouse for the L.O.L dolls comes with over 40 surprises to unbox, including 2 exclusive dolls. This clubhouse, we can say, is the dollhouse for modern girls. This has been the most popular girl toy in 2020, and every young girl in the world wants to have this. It's not like traditional dollhouses with princess castles and everything, and it's a modern clubhouse made for the modern age.
Side of his head, he's wearing some protective gear, gray shorts with suspenders hanging down, a painted...
Number 6, Osmo coating. Osmo has spent a few years finding ways of making an iPod more than just another screen. With a clip-on mirror attachment, the company's games use the iPod camera and computer vision to help real toys and drawings interact with on-screen objects. In coding, kids snap together blocks to make a digital monster perform actions. It's a little expensive, but totally worth it.
Turtle? That's our character Obby right there. What's that? It says...
Number 5, Wiggy Piggy Bank. Do you want to make saving money a fun thing? Get yourself a Wiggy Piggy Bank now. Unlike other piggy banks, this one doesn't have a coin hole. You set your savings target in an app, then the app tells you the amount you will get every time you perform a chore. This configuration needs to be set by you or your parents. Once you perform that chore, your amount is saved in the app, and you can get it from your parents at the end of the month.
Right on!
You learn that setbacks.
Number 4, Cosmo. With its expressive OLED lights, animated arm movements, and droid-like sound effects, Cosmo seems more human than other robot toys. It's smarter too. Cosmo recognizes your face with its built-in camera and forms its own opinion of you. It learns your name, challenges you to games, and throws a tiny fit when it loses. Number 3, Kitty Zoom Creator Cam. If you're into making videos, you must get this creator cam. It includes a green screen and 20 different backgrounds to make creative videos from. There's also a tripod, microphone, and some special effects that can easily be added via the on-screen editing features. This makes video making sound very fun and easy.
Action! Check out the new Kitty Zoom Creator Cam! Use the included green screen and backgrounds to make...
Number 2, American Girl RC Sports Car. Who said sports cars are only for boys? There's a new remote control in the American Girl universe, and it's pink and gold. The ultimate driving experience for 18-inch dolls, this baby can be customized with license plate stickers and features luxe accents. Lifelike details include a horn, cup holder, and working headlights, and it can even drive in reverse. American Girl truly believes that girls can drive a sports car too. So put your dolls in the front seat and let them drive an amazing car.
For the license plate. And did you notice it says American Girl on the top?
Number 1, Osmo Matt's Wizard's Magical Workshop. With many schools still online, games with an educational component are a great gift idea. Osmo's new Math Wizard series are fun, self-paced games that teach as well as entertain. Magical Workshop is geared towards ages 6 to 8 and incorporates tactical materials into the magic-themed game to teach addition and subtraction. Secrets of the Dragon is all about learning measurement. Who in all of humanity ever thought that learning maths could be fun? Do give us your thoughts on these toys in the comments down below. And don't hesitate to share some of your favorite toy ideas as well. That said, if you enjoyed this video and wish to see more like these in the future, then hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and press that bell icon. Until next time, take care and goodbye.